How to turn on Meta AI on Instagram. So first things first, head over to your Instagram application. And into your Instagram application, you can see that Meta AI has already been turned on this specific account of mine. Now the issue is that Meta AI is not specifically available in a lot of different locations. It's very location specific. So first things first that you're going to make sure is you're going to head over to any sort of chat and you're going to click on add and simply click on Meta AI. Now what this happens is that you're agreeing to use Meta AI's terms and you've successfully turned Meta AI on Instagram. You agree to the terms and conditions by clicking on OK. And then basically what you do is you start off once again, ask it to create an image of the horse. All right, and this way you've successfully turned on Meta AI on Instagram. Now another way, and you see Meta AI has quietly generated a prompt and given you a proper answer. Another way that you have to make sure is sometimes even when Meta AI is available in your specific location, but your app is not updated. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to your App Store or Play Store. You're going to search for Instagram and you're gonna make sure that the app is fully updated. You can see my version is up to date. So guys, this is it. This is how you can turn on Meta AI on Instagram. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.